When Carol noticed her hair was thinning, it affected her confidence and self-esteem.
Finally, it was just, my hair was falling out in like handfuls. And I was like, they say, well, you lose 100 hairs a day. So one day I was running my hand through my hair and I said, well, I'll count. And when I got way over 150, I'm like, yeah, I'm definitely losing my hair. You look at your hair and you can't do anything with it, and you notice it's getting thinner and thinner. And I color my hair, and as I was doing through the back, I was like, oh my God, I'm really getting bald. And it was just very emotional and very depressing, to say the least. And when I stopped in here, I thought, I'll probably get a wig. You need a wig or you need to do something.
Carol found a solution in laser and hair loss control products. Now her friends pay her compliments, and she feels better than ever.
My daughter even said to me a month or two ago, she goes, Mom, your hair's starting to really look nice. She goes, now I see a difference. And friends, they're like, hey, your hair's amazing. So, I mean, it's definitely a huge difference. I don't even have to set it anymore. I mean, I can just wash and go because it's naturally curly anyway, but it's just a totally different feeling that you have. It's hard to explain how depressed and emotional you can be because you think everybody's looking, oh, she's going bald. You know, it's because that's the way you feel about it. And it's just totally different. You don't even think about it anymore. You're just good. You just get up and you feel better each day.
For more information, call Invisions at 800-842-4247 or visit us online at envisionshair.com.